Before I move on with my series on expressions, I wanted to do a quick video on the quadratic expression. It's a term that teachers use quite a lot, and it's always just nice if you understand exactly what a quadratic expression is. So we know this is an expression because there's no answer, and any algebraic sum that doesn't have an answer is called an expression, but this is a quadratic expression because of its structure and what the terms contain. We can see here this expression has three terms. The first one's x squared, then you've got positive 5x and negative 2 at the end. But if we look a bit deeper, we can see that the first term is x squared. This appears just to have an x in it, but as we know, that's actually x to the power of 1. And the last term, again, appears just to have a negative 2. But we could write this last term as negative 2 times 1. You can still see that's still negative 2. Now, here we've got x squared, x to the power of 1, and there appears to be a descending order to the index. So it would be very nice if this was x to the power of 0. Well, that's exactly what we've got, because elsewhere in maths we know that anything to the power of nothing is 1. So what we've actually got here is x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, remember, so x to the power of 0 is 1. So what we've actually got are three terms, x squared plus 5x to the power of 1, take away 2x to the power of 0. And you can see we've got three terms with a descending order of power. X to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power of 0. However, I'm sure you're aware, we don't write this last bit here, so we leave it as x squared plus 5x take away 2. Now, just to end with, the name quadratic actually comes from the Latin word quadratum, which means square. And you have x squared, so it all ties up quite nicely.